Hi and welcome. This is the first of a 4-part series of classes on therapeutic feminine movement. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the series itself and what therapeutic feminine movement is and how I teach it. And then we're going to dive into the principle of today. Each class is going to have a different biomechanical principle to guide the practice. So if you don't know me, I am Blair Lindsay. I am a teacher, I'm a somatic guide, I'm a mother, and my devotion in this lifetime, in this vocation of mine, is to the sacred, erotic, feminine. And those can all be kind of charged words. They can seem maybe ambiguous. So let me break it down for you what I mean by those words and when I speak of them. So for me, the feminine is a very charged word, feminine. What does that mean? Is it femininity? Is it a gender role? And I'm just going to tell you, for me, the feminine is actually a deeply important word. It is, it holds a vibration that is integral to life. So for me, the feminine has nothing to do with femininity. It has nothing to do with how a woman is supposed to be, or even being a woman, actually. I mean, there's a particular way that women inhabit the feminine that is very special and important, but both men and women have this essential part within themselves. So for me, the greatest metaphor is nature. And that, what is that intelligence that is driving nature, that is driving evolution, that is that field of intelligence that informs animals how to survive and informs nature how to thrive, informs an oak little seed, informs that to turn into a huge, gigantic tree. What is that source of intelligence? And the ancient sacred texts talk about it in many different religious views, that this is, and it's called many different things. It's called Shakti, it's called life force, it's called Eros, but like this pulse, this current of intelligence that is guiding us towards our fruition, towards our actualization, the thing that we came here to be. So I believe that each of us, just like that little acorn tree, just like it has a template, right from the beginning, we each have a template, and there is a current of life force that is guiding us towards the highest expression of ourselves. And that for me is the feminine, and that for me is a deeply significant and spiritual and also embodied principle. And it also, for me, feels very much related to our own personal thriving and also our collective thriving. And frankly, it's something that each of us knows, I believe, deep down. It's not something that we have to learn per se, but it is something that we need to remember. So therapeutic feminine movement, this is a way to tap into that current of aliveness, that current of eros, that current of life force, that when we're very busy, when we're not connected to our body, when we're not able to feel our body,